Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can transfer from Robinhood Crypto to Crypto.com. So first, just open your Crypto.com from here, and once you're in the home section, go ahead and tap on deposit. And from here, just go ahead and tap on crypto. So in here, you just have to type in or search for the crypto that you want to use, or you can also just select it in here. So in this example, we're choosing BTC. So in here, just select the network, click on this arrow at the bottom, and just go ahead and tap on this BTC right here. So in here, the wallet address will show. So just go ahead and copy that one. And once you're done copying it, you will just go to the Robinhood Crypto. So in here, what you're gonna do is you just have to click on send right here. Or from here, you can choose the crypto that you want to send. So go ahead and tap on Bitcoin since we're transferring Bitcoin. So it will open your camera to scan the QR code, but since we have the wallet address, go ahead and tap on enter address in here and tap on paste. So there we have it. Just go ahead and tap on continue. And from here, just select the amount that you want to send. So once you're done, go ahead and tap on review so that you can review everything. And once you're done, go ahead and tap on submit. So once you tap on that one, there you have it. Your transaction is processing. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!